Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to discuss how to calculate arithmetic mean for a group data. Given the following frequency distribution table, we are expected to calculate the mean value of this frequency distribution table, in which the class interval ranges between 50 to 99 up to between 400 to 499, and each of these class interval comprises of these frequencies. Between 50 to 99 we have 155, and between 100 to 149 we have 150. Then the interval between this class interval is 50. Therefore, summing all these frequencies together, we have this value 492. Then we have to calculate the midpoint from the class interval that we have. Therefore, we have it like this: 50 plus 99, that is this 50, the lower class interval and the upper class limit, we add it together, then divided by 2, giving us 149 all over 4 is equal to 74.5. That's how we calculated all these values, the midpoint for x. Therefore, if you sum 100 plus 149 then divided by 2 is going to give us 124, as we did for the earlier midpoint. Therefore, having gotten this midpoint, which is x, we are going to find f of x, that is multiply 155 with 74.5, giving us 11549.5, and so on and so forth to the last value here, that is between 400 to 449. And sum everything together, we are going to have, summing all these f of x together, we are going to have 73306. Therefore, we are going to look for our mean, which is the x bar, and the formula for the x bar is summation f of x all over summation f, and our f of x is 733306, which is this value, and our summation f is 492, which is this value. Then, having divided 73306 by 492, it gives us 148.9959. That is how to calculate the arithmetic mean for the grouped data through the frequency distribution table. If you find value in this tutorial, like this video, subscribe to this channel in order to be first notified about the new video that will be coming out. Thank you very much for listening. Bye.